Hey all you fine folks, welcome back to my channel. My name is America Reed of America's Abstracts. You like that new logo? I forgot to talk about that last video. So that's what you're going to see on my intro screens, and you're going to see that font used for all my videos because I think it looks pretty cool. So if you're new here, hi! I like to use fluid art as a way to cope with my various chronic illness symptoms. And so, typically you'll get a new creation and or a how-to video twice a week. And that is going to be on Thursdays and Sundays. Really excited for today's video. It was definitely a challenge, but I really love the outcome. This is a continuation of my Precious Gems series, and so we are going to be doing Citrine. Now, if you haven't noticed, aside from when I'm doing my Rainbow Neon palette, I don't use orange too often, or shades of orange, even though I have multiple pigments that have, you know, orange or orangey tints, especially from the lovely This Little Piggy company. If you like seeing my content and want to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also make sure to hit the bell for notifications so you can always get updated as soon as I post a brand new video. And of course guys, liking my video, if you like it, make sure to hit that like button. And if you think it's really cool, please feel free to share my videos. I love that I've even gotten the reach I have so far, so I am greatly appreciative of each and every one of you who watch my videos, who comment, who like. Even if you dislike it, let me know. I really would appreciate some feedback on some things. I am just learning to use a different video editing software, Adobe Premiere Pro, and I am open to constructive criticism with my video editing. Any tips, if you are a YouTuber, if you want to give those to me, I will gladly accept them. So I'll kind of go over what I used real quick. I used Golden Peach from This Little Piggy. I used Mango. I used Horizon, which is a new color that they came out with and dropped just like a week ago. So it's super awesome that I got to use that. And then to mix it up and get some tube paints, I did Liquitex Cadmium Orange Hue. Like I said, it was a challenge, but I really love how it turned out, and I really want to show you what it looks like. Just a quick pan over of the end result right here. Now see guys, I'm just telling you, that right there is just, it looks so awesome. And it dried they dried so fantastic, and it's just hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I sure did. So if you want to see how I made them, let's get to that painting. You guys enjoyed those coasters. I know I sure did. I will be back with another video on Thursday. I hope you had an excellent Sunday. Great rest of your week I hope you had. I hope you guys are nice to one another, and my fellow chronic illness sufferers paint through the pain. I will see you guys next time. Bye!